Shodan has changed the way hackers build tools, as it allows a large part of the target discovery phase to be automated. Rather than scanning the entire internet, hackers can enter the right search terms to get a massive list of potential targets. There is also a Shodan CLI client written in Python that allows hackers to quickly write Python scripts that target vulnerable devices all over the world. There are more than 20 billion IoT devices connected to the internet, so definitely you'll want to narrow your search. After you log in with a free or paid account, a number of additional search capabilities will become available for you in the form of filters. The real power of Shodan comes from customized queries. Let's take a look at some of the most useful filters. If you want to geographically narrow your search, use the country or city filters. Let's search for D-Link internet cameras in Germany. These are all D-Link internet cameras, and I want only the cameras in Germany. Country, colon, and the country code. In this case, D. To use the filter, type the name of the filter, in this case country, colon, and then a search for a term. And these are all D-Link internet cameras in Germany. Now, let's see what we can find in Berlin. City, colon, Berlin. And there are 6 cameras in Berlin. Or we can search for Cisco devices in a particular subnet. Cisco, net, the filter, colon, and the subnet. Let's take a random subnet. And there are 3 Cisco devices on that subnet. We can also combine filters by adding them like this. So if you want to search for Apache web servers in Sydney that are running on port 8080 and are also running Tomcat, you have to combine 3 filters: city, port, and product. So I'm searching for Apache, city colon Sydney, port colon 8080, the port it listens on, and then product colon Apache Tomcat. And it found only Apache web servers that also run Tomcat in Sydney. For example, this one has 3 ports open: 22, 80, and 8080. And Shodan also searches for vulnerabilities for the versions of the services that are running on that host. For example, these are the vulnerabilities for the services that are running on this IP address.